I made you some snacks.
What are they? Yeah, what are they?
Snack School.
Are you guys so excited? Because we're going to start a YouTube channel. Subscribe! The camera's about to eat us. No, it never eats us.
Do you remember that movie, The Lion King?
Yeah.
Who is your favorite character?
My favorite character is... The baby little lion. My favorite's the unicorn. What unicorn?
What do you think of Scar from The Lion King?
He's kind of funny.
Yeah.
And not nice, but Scar, that's a funny name. Scarlett and Scar, they're matchies.
Are they the same?
Garlic.
Scarlet garlic.
I don't like garlic. Got my goggles. Only a little garlic. I got my goggles on.
What's Scar's favorite snack?
He was trying to eat the mouse, and the mouse was scared. Really scared.
You're right. Let's watch that clip.
Life's not fair, is it? You see, I shall never be king. And you shall never see the light of another day. Adieu.
Didn't your mother ever tell you not to play with your food?
Hey, I'm James. At Snack School, we encourage you to play with your food and live healthily ever after. Today I'm going to show you how to make Scar's Squeaky snack cookies inspired by Disney's The Lion King using only healthy ingredients. And after, you'll get to see my kid's Squeaky reaction. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In your big bowl, add 1 cup of quick or instant oats, or you can blend up the oats a little for finer consistency. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix them together. Next, add 2 appealing bananas. Feel free to use the brown banana since they are sweeter and easier to mash. Mash and mix all the ingredients together. Put parchment paper on your cookie sheet. Put 12 spoonfuls, about 2 tablespoons each, on the cookie sheet for each cookie. Oops, mouse droppings. These cookies don't expand or rise, but still leave space for decorations. With a spoon, smooth each cookie into a flattened pear shape. Place 2 raisins for eyes and 1 for the nose on each cookie. Add ears, 2 sliced almonds. For the tail, add 1 pretzel to each mouse. Now bake the cookies approximately 10 to 12 minutes. And voila! That smell makes me hungry. I don't think these cookies will see the light of another day. It's time to show the girls.
I made you some snacks.
What are they? Yeah, what are they? Sit them down. What the? The mouse? Smell? That's so cool. I'm not eating this nice mouse. I'm not eating this nice mouse. Good. Oh. Is the mouse okay? Can't talk. It's mouth.
Didn't your mother tell you not to play with your food?
No.
Get those feet down.
You. We're not playing the video. Yeah, they're so good, guys. You could just see it. Hi, Mom. We are friends. Yeah, I put my head off. Oh, this is a rough thing. She has a squeaky voice, guys. I know you can't taste them, but they're really good. Mice are funny. These are real mice. We just made them. And if you never had one, give a thumbs up for them. And if you try them, that's good, right? And if you don't like them, then thumbs down. Well, if you don't know them, thumbs side. That's a new one.
It's the one thumbs up. That's why I make us more good food.
He attended if he could subscribe.
It's subscribe to our dad to make us more good food so we can have a party. Mouse cupcake. Bye-bye. Hope you subscribe.
It's the red button.
Blue button. I hope you subscribe. Bye.
It's red.
It's the red button.
It's the red button.
Honk honk. I just pushed it. It's the red button.
It's the red button.